In constant listening system, extra analysis is very important. This is going to confirm which adjustment we are going to do. Either there are 8 misalignments the whole pelvis. One is PI, AS, PIEX, PIIN, ASIN, ASEX, and IN and EX. There are 8 listenings. There are different adjustments we are going to deliver. Before that, we are going to confirm which side we are going to adjust. First, we are going to put dots on the iliac crest, the middle of the iliac crest, and second on the ischium, and third on the femoral head. That's femur head. And one more is on the first sacral tubercle. One dot is on the pubis symphysis. One is the base of the sacrum. Here is the base of the sacrum, and again is the sacrum line, and one more is the sacrum line. These are the dots. First you are going to put dots on this. Okay. Again you are going to mark the lines to confirm which component we are going to adjust. Maybe PI ilium, AS ilium, or sacrum adjustment. So we are marking the line. Okay. And second is the ischium, and we will mark the femur headline. This is the femur headline, and then the sacrum. The sacrum line. This is to confirm which component we are going to adjust. Okay. Now, after marking these lines, we need to draw a 90-degree line. 90-degree line which comes from first sacrum tubercle to symphysis pubis. This is exactly the 90-degree. This. And then we are going to make the sacrum baseline. Okay. And look at this. These are the obturators. Actually, the actual obturator is this. Okay. The actual obturator, foramina. But in his case, see, this is rotated medially, both the side. As we discussed before, first the length of the iliac crest to the ischium should be higher on the PI side. So it's 159 mm. This is also the same, 159. 159 mm. And again we are going to match the femur headline. So it is 61. And this side, this side also 61. Okay. And we are going to mark this. 48. This side is 41. So this is 41. This is 48. Look at this. As we discussed in the evening yesterday, which side is iliac crest to ischium, ischia. Which side is higher? That is PI ilium. Which side is lesser? That is AS ilium. But in this case, both are same. There is no ilium listening. In this case, the listening is the sacrum. So there are 4 listening in the sacrum. P-R, it's P-L, P-I-R and P-I-L. In this case, P-I-L, P-I-7 dash L. Why I have written pi dash 7? In the sense there is a 7 mm difference from this side to this side. What will happen in this case? The sacrum base came posterior inferior. This is the pi dash L listening. It's very clear. You look at all the iliums are equal, and look at the presentation, the overall presentation of the sacrum. It's not straight, it's tilted like this. Look at this thing. In his case, we are going to adjust the sacrum pi dash L listening. How to do that adjustment we are going to discuss later. Is it clear? This is the way we are going to mark the ilium in Gauss Darmstadt chiropractic system.